Python execute play sound in separate thread. I need to play a sound in my Python program, so I use playsound module for that. How can I modify this to run inside main method as a new thread? I need to run this method inside the main method if a condition is true. When it is false, the thread needs to stop.
Use threading library.
As Python multithreading is not really multithreading, more on this here, I would suggest using a multiprocess for it. Can be terminated at will with p.terminate.
You may not have to worry about using a thread. You can simply call playsound as follows. This will allow the program to keep running without waiting for the sound play to finish.
If you don't want to get confused by threading stuff, Nava could be a better option for you. You can just do. Up until now, it supports MP3 only for macOS, but supports WAV for other OSs. You can always convert your MP3 to WAV.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.